On the 9th day, we vaccinated the chicks against infectious bosa disease, also known as kumboro. So in this farm diary session, I'm going to be sharing with you how we went about doing that, and also the other activities that happened on the 9th day, with the aim of teaching you one or two things you can apply in your farm. And the video is starting right now. I want to give a special shout out to NOD for watching our content and also engaging with us by leaving a comment. From your comment, it looks like you want to start your own poultry farm. I encourage you to do so. It's a venture you will never regret, as long as you do the right things. The first thing we do upon entering into the brooding house on the 9th day is to check the room temperature. On the 9th day, the temperature is still meant to be between 29 to 30 degrees C. So if we have anything above or below that, we try to adjust the temperature to be within this optimal range. Next, we prepare for the vaccination proper. On the 9th day, we are vaccinating the birds against infectious bosa disease, popularly known as kumboro. Now, this is a viral disease that attacks the engine room of the immune system of the chick, known as the bosa or fabricius. The vaccine against this disease is time sensitive, it is temperature sensitive, it is interaction sensitive, and also it is dosage sensitive. So for the interaction sensitivity, what we do is to discard the previous day's water and also wash the butter, the receiving butter. The essence of washing this butter is to make sure there is no trace of any medications from the past left, because the vaccine needs to interact with only plain water. And then for the time sensitivity, after discarding the previous day's medication and washing the butter, we don't give the birds water for at most 2 hours. The essence of doing this is to make the birds very, very thirsty, so that when you give them this vaccine, they will rush it, because time sensitivity wise, the vaccine should not stay more than 30 minutes once you've administered it. Now for temperature sensitivity, within these 2 hours we left these birds to stay off water. That's the time we go and get the vaccine. We don't leave the vaccine in our farm because we don't trust the source of electricity, so that we won't break what we call a cold chain. So while going to get this, we do all these things within that 2 hours that we're already starving the birds. We go with a flask, get the vaccine from a reputable or trusted agro-based firm that we are certain that they also maintain the cold chain from the manufacturers. After getting the vaccine, the next thing we'll do is to rush back to the farm so that we will not exceed that 2 hours time frame that we are already starving these birds of water. And then the way to administer the vaccine is to make sure that the hands are deep into the water before you open it. We open the vaccine inside the water so that the content will dissolve inside the water, and then after that we release the water to the birds to drink the vaccine. If you starve your birds for 2 hours, all of them will be thirsty, so certainly the vaccine must finish before 30 minutes. And that's what we do over here. After then, we now share feed for the chicks, and then do the normal routine farm practice, which involves getting into the poultry house to check on these chicks at most every 2 hours, and then know if there are any adjustments to be done. We do it in the process. That's basically how we did our 9th day here. How do you do your 9th day in your own farm? How do you administer your vaccine to your birds? Please feel free to share with us in the comment section, and if you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section as well. And make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and see you tomorrow on the 10th day.